So the 2024 NBA Finals are up and running. Dallas Mavericks versus the Boston Celtics. And while the Celtics have been favorites of all the experts from the start of the season, the Mavericks have been kind of like the gully creepers, upsetting their way to the final with the unstoppable duo of Kyrie Irving and Luka Doncic. Dallas, however, comes into the final more battle-hardened after surviving the grueling Western Conference. The Celtics, on the other hand, while multi-talented and deep, they were basically escorted through the East by the injury-plagued Miami Heat, New York Knicks, and Indiana Pacers. May have Dallas to win, and it's not just because they are Mavericks, like me. But the level of confidence and swag with which Luka and Kyrie are playing, and indeed the rest of the Dallas roster, theoretically, this is supposed to be a close series with the depth and quality of the Celtics, who are flattered to deceive for the last 3 seasons. But all things considered, my little bit of money is on the Mavericks. Oh yes, the Maverick is betting on the Mavericks.